Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly timeframes for Voyager token. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, here on the monthly chart, we can notice an obvious swing low here, a clear level of support where price is held for multiple months, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. We can also notice a monthly resistance level right here, as we see candle bodies closing below this key level multiple times, as we see the long wicks rejecting the key level. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now, here in the weekly, what do we notice? We can go ahead and plot a key level right here. As this is a clear support level here, as we see multiple reactions to the same key level, and as price breaks through, we notice a long wick reacting around the same key level. So, we can also go ahead and plot a key level here, as we have multiple reactions acting as resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly. Now, if you notice our price action here, it is all relative to our monthly key levels. So, on the support level, we can go ahead and fine tune it to the weekly close here. And we're going to go ahead and plot this in as a weekly level. So we see multiple reactions acting to the same key level. So, zooming out, we can go ahead and plot one more key level here, as we have multiple reactions acting as resistance. And those are all the key levels plotted on the chart. We can go ahead and argue about these little support levels here, but they didn't really hold much, and there's not a lot of reactions to the key levels. Where down here we have multiple reactions to the same key level, multiple reactions to the same key level, and down here you can see that as well. So these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly timeframes for Voyager. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.